72 nations bow down to acknowledge the great King of Kings and Lord. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Yes. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Yeah. Some say this and some say that. True, them have them big boat features. Oh gosh. Yes, they say all manner of things about King Selassie. And I don't know why, 'cause His Imperial Majesty is the 225th Emperor of Ethiopia, Lord. Yes, and He's the only one found worthy to open up the seven seas. So I say, hail the Emperor, yeah, 'cause He's the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Hail the Comforter, yeah, 'cause He's a tribal ruler. From a personal experience, I speak to you with much confidence. Oh yes, I come to proclaim and uphold the name of His Majesty, and this is no false pretense. No, no, no. As a defender of the faith, I can tell you that my King is great. So fly them banners, fly them, fly them, fly them, yeah. Fly the axe gold and green. Whoa. Beg you, fly them, fly them, fly them, yeah. For the King and Queen, Selassie and Empress Mary, hail the Emperor. Oh, He's the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Yes. Hail the Comforter, yeah. Come on now, He's a tribal ruler. Whoa, yes. His Imperial Majesty is the 225th Emperor of Ethiopia. He's a righteous King, and He's the only one found worthy